Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use Python to automatically rename files from this naming system on the left here to the naming system on the right here, automatically using Python. So you see here, I got video 11 to video 16, and it will be automatically renamed to 01 to 01F. And I got video 21 here to 25, and then it will be renamed to 02 to 02E. Similar, I got video 51 here to 56. It's gonna be renamed to 05 to 05F. The reason why I want to do this is because I have a Python script to automatically generate timestamp for my video. So I need this naming system in order to work with that script, because I already built based on this naming system. So let's get to see how I can do it in Python. So actually here I already have the script for that. So in order to do that, I'm gonna grab the path of this folder on the left here, and I'm gonna put in my script here. Pretty long path, sorry for that, but basically the script look like that. Firstly, I need to import OS, I need to import globe, and then I set the current working directory. So I run this. So now my current working directory is this one. Okay. Next, I need to define a function to list all the file with a specific type of file name in a folder. So I got that function. Then I need to define something called a big list. So basically this big list will be list. I'm going to print out the big list now. This big list will be includes a bunch of smaller lists, and in each list it will be looking like this. The big list look like this. So all the video starting with video 1 will be grouped into one list, and video 2 will be grouped into two lists. And then so it kind of a list in list. That's very convenient. So the next is I need to make a list of a string list here. So what is a string list you see here? It's just a list from A to Z. So I use a string module, and then I use a RC lowercase to generate that list. So the next is, this is the main function of the work. So let's see how it's work now. So I'm going to run it now. So basically, you see on the right here, in file name here, I see the name here is video 1 to video 8 here in the old naming system. I'm going to run this script, run that, and you see that all the name here automatically renamed to 0.2 to 0.8. And for some reason, the video 1 here is not working for me, but it's alright. I'm gonna fix it later. But that basically the way that the script will help me to rename from the naming system like this to the right here. So why the video 1 is not working? I found that when we make a big list here, and we make a smaller list, and then we make a big list, but we didn't sort it. So we decided to sort it. So after we sort it, everything is alright. And that's it for this video. How to use Python to rename from the video system naming system looks like this to a system look like this. Okay. So after fixing this, I'm gonna run this again to see how it works. So here I have another folder. It has the bunch of video here from video 11 to video 85. So I'm gonna copy the location of that folder. I'm gonna put in here, and I make that one here. So the current working directory is gonna be okay. So now I'm gonna going up. So now this is the current working directory, and I got a bunch of video here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just run this by pressing F5, and you're going to see that here all the name from video 1 to video 8 just becomes this new naming system. So that's it for this video of how to use Python to rename automatically.